Hi, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Skyla.
And we are half of
the Dean Team.
We're here in Memphis, and in this vlog, we're going to show you all of the best food we've been eating. What do you think? Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
Cheers.
Cheers.
First up, we are headed into Arcade Restaurant for breakfast. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. The look we see now came together in the 50s. This area of Memphis took a hit in the late 60s and 70s with the decline of the railroad and businesses moving out, but then it really had a rebirth in the late 80s. Here's a look at the menu, and we're at the Elvis table. A really nice gentleman in the street just told us to try the sweet potato pancakes. So that's what we're gonna get. You can get breakfast or lunch all day. And so we're also coming here for the fried peanut butter and banana because that's what Elvis got. They give you the history on the back. This is Memphis's oldest restaurant, opened in 1919. It gives you a look at what it has looked like through the years, and it is owned by the 5th generation now. Several movies were filmed here, including Mystery Train, Elizabethtown, The Client, The Firm, Walk the Line. First up, we got some biscuits and gravy. This is Skyla's kind of gravy because it's very smooth.
I'm not good at these, okay?
Let's see. Good job. It's a very good flaky, buttery biscuit. Here are the sweet potato pancakes. They come with 2 eggs. We got hash browns and bacon. Here it is, the fried peanut butter banana sandwich. I got mine with grits because we're having breakfast, but you can get it with like fries or salad or other things. Cheers. Cheers, Elvis. All right, ready? Let's see what we think.
I say no. It tastes like the bread of a grilled cheese. Like at first I thought it was biting into a grilled cheese.
I think it is absolutely delicious. These could be the best pancakes I've ever had. They taste like cinnamony, so soft. Also perfectly cooked over easy eggs. You mix them in with the hash browns is perfect. I'm pretty proud of what the two of us accomplished today, Skyla.
I can eat it again.
You had 1.5 of the pancakes and 3 biscuits.
And 3 pieces of bacon and hash browns. My stomach's only half full, so I can do this again, definitely.
Mine is double full.
How does that work?
Elvis booth, check. We did it.
Go us.
Next up, we're headed into Central Barbecue. Since '02, the year I graduated high school.
Thank you, oh.
Thank you. The first Central Barbecue opened in 2002, and they now have 5 total locations. Skyla's gonna get the smoked wings. They are full wings here, so she's just gonna get a set of 3 for $9. We're also gonna get a half of a slab. I've heard that their pulled pork is also really good. They have a lot of great sides. We're gonna go for the mac and cheese and the greens. Skyla got the wings, and they're full wings. Can you hold one up so we can see? And she got hers just naked.
Mild, vinegar, hot, mustard. This is their, it's called like
Dry spice.
Dry spice. And then this is their buffalo sauce.
So we're gonna try them all. And then here are the ribs with some mac and cheese and greens. This looks so good. Wow.
First we're trying the mild. Sweet, it's not spicy. Next up is the vinegar. Very vinegary. Next we have hot. It's not spicy.
Not spicy? Okay.
Probably might be for you.
I'm the real test of if it's spicy.
Okay. Mustard. I'm scared because I don't like mustard. That did not change my opinion.
Ooh, you're gonna dip it in that spice. And he said that this is very hot. There's cayenne in it. Not bad?
I can't taste the spice.
What about the buffalo?
Maybe I need more of it. Okay, buffalo. This is what I think I'm gonna like the most. Yeah.
A hot sauce girly. Is that your favorite one? Yum.
This is my ranking. In 6th place, we have the mustard. It might just be because I'm not a mustard girl, but 5th place, the vinegar. It's a bit too vinegary to be vinegar. Then after that, we've got this. I just couldn't really taste it. Maybe I just needed more of it.
I'm taking this with us. I'm finding a way to take that with us to your dad.
Yeah.
That's going home with me.
Yeah. Come home with me. 3rd place is the mild. You were good. I'm waiting for you to be great. Real ones will get that reference. 2nd place, the hot. Wasn't too hot. Still had the flavor.
I was able to have the hot sauce, so I agree with you there.
And at the top, going 3 for 3, buffalo. I like that it's a little bit spicy, but it also has a good flavor.
How's the mac and cheese?
The fact that I'm actually eating the mac and cheese tells you that it's good, because I'm not really go for mac and cheese. That's some good mac and cheese.
So are these greens. These greens are delicious. Stop it back there. They're so good. These ribs are so tender. They just fall apart. Like, this is so good. 10 out of 10. 12 out of 10. Next up is Westy's for dinner. Westy's is best known for their hot fudge pie, which has sold over 900,000 pieces and still counting. Here's a look at the menu. They have baskets with basically everything fried that you can dream of, so we're gonna get a lot of these items. You can choose the original hot fudge pie or the ultimate, which is drizzled with raspberry sauce, roasted pecans, under vanilla ice cream, topped with strawberry topping and whipped cream. The menu also has jambalaya, pasta, seafood, steaks, and rice dishes. The fried green tomatoes, very thin, very flavorful.
In my opinion, I think it's less of breading and more of like seasoning. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's like
it doesn't taste like breading. It tastes
yeah.
like fried green tomato and seasoning. Oh, a thick layer of seasoning.
Cheese curds, so good. Love the seasoning on these fries. Delicious.
The mozzarella sticks were definitely my favorite. If we come back again, I would give up something else to get the meal of the mozzarella sticks or whatever it is.
How many did you get with the kids meal?
3, but the actual one comes with 7.
You could get 2 kids meals and get double set of fries and 2 drinks. The ultimate. Oh my gosh. What'd you think of Westy's?
So good. Must go to. It was incredible. Even just like going in and like the aesthetic of the place and like how they decorated it and they had movies running. It was really cool. The food alone was incredible. We got cheese curds, tater tots, fried green tomatoes, mozzarella sticks, fries.
Everything fried.
Yeah, everything that you can think of fried, that's what we got.
And it was all really good.
Mm-hmm.
And that dessert.
Yay.
Oh my gosh.
The brownie.
It's called mud pie,
Yeah.
but it is basically a warm brownie melt in your mouth. So good. And the ice cream was so good. Everything on top of it. So I do recommend getting the ultimate because then you're getting
Yeah, and you're getting
everything
lot more
with
stuff.
it. We're staying right by the convention center and it's 0.2 miles away. So that's also something that's really close to where we are. We didn't have to walk far. So that was very nice. But that was a stop that surprised me. I knew I was going to like the dessert, but the whole vibe was really good. For our next stop, we're going down an alley to get to Rendezvous Barbecue. Which one do you think is going to be better, Central Barbecue or Rendezvous?
Central. Oh, we should have brought the buffalo sauce.
Well, I'm sure they'll have sauces here. Oh, look at that monkey.
Oh, I thought you meant an actual monkey for a
No,
second.
but look at that monkey. That's fun. All right, you ready? Rendezvous opened in 1948 and started charcoal grilling ribs in the mid-50s. The story is that they found an old coal chute in the restaurant's basement, which inspired them to switch from ham sandwiches to pork ribs. I feel like we have to try the ribs. Not since Adam has a rib been this famous. Wow. For $6, she got some nachos. You could have added chicken or shoulder for 50 cents. Applesauce, Teddy Grahams, 2 pickles, and a drink. That's a great deal.
Great deal.
Here's a look at the kids menu. It says for kids 9 and under, but they allowed Skyla to order off of it, and here are the different options. Dry rub ribs, they come with the beans and the slaw. We're gonna tear it up. The dry rub is exceptional, the flavor. These do not fall apart the way that Centrals do. Like you have to bite off of it, but it is so good. Together, we have torn these up. Skyla really likes the hot sauce.
It's just like spicy barbecue. It's
Hot
really good.
barbecue sauce. And then I tried the original. That was really good too. So what do you think of these ribs?
Good, harder to eat than the ones at Central. But the food flavoring is incredible.
Yeah, the dry rub is legit. I don't know what's in the coleslaw to give it this color, but the coleslaw is really good, and so are the beans. Delicious sides. We're gonna head into Blue City Cafe. This place is open late and it is hopping. Anytime we walk past in the evening, it has been very busy in here, but we're gonna go in for lunch. Here's a look at the menu. I am going for the world famous tamales with the famous chili. They have steaks and chops, shrimp, fish, and chicken. And Skyla's going for the legendary ribs. We're gonna do half a rack of ribs. They also will add catfish to it. They've got desserts.
Did it go anywhere near the camera?
I think it did, yeah.
When I tell you our food came out within like a minute,
In the time it took you to shoot that straw at me, our food came out. So we've got the half a rack of ribs with the fries, with some toast, some slaw and beans, which I'll be eating. And then here's our chili and our 3 tamales. They are hot too.
Well, they're called a hot tamale, man.
Well, they better be, yeah. Here's a look at the tamale. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. I'm sure Skyla wouldn't think it has any kick, but for me, it does a little bit. They're delicious. The chili, so good. This flavor, if you like chili, get this. Skyla just wiped all the sauce off the ribs. They're no central barbecue. Is that what you're trying to say? These fries are the hottest fries I've ever had in my life.
Yes.
Mama using that hot sauce. And these ribs fall right off the bone. They're like literally just coming right off. They're so tender. They have signatures of everybody who's been here. David Copperfield. Jimmy Kimmel has been here. For dinner, we are heading into Huey's. Here's a look at the menu. They're known for their burgers, and so I think I'm gonna get their world famous old time A1 burger. Sorry about the blinking lights, that's from the fans above me. They also have different sandwiches, different munchies like a cheese and sausage plate, or wings, potato skins, cheese sticks. There's also a kids menu. It's only $6.95. You get your choice of applesauce, mandarins, or french fries. Includes ice cream and a Huey souvenir drink cup. Here are all of the Huey's folks. The name comes from a childhood nickname. He wanted to create a bar that was fun and unique where his friends could come and hang out. And he wanted a good burger, so he used a secret recipe. A block down the road at John Gray's Big Star, he had them grind his secret mix daily. In 1976, Thomas Boggs bought into it and perfected the special seasoning put on all the burgers that are cooked on the flat grill, never flattened with a spatula. Huey's has won the Best Burger in Memphis award every year since 1984. There's also a crutch in the ceiling because Peggy, one of Thomas's closest friends, injured her leg and was on crutches for almost a year, and she was gonna go throw in the Mississippi River, and he said, hey, keep one here. I got a Moscow Mule. It was only $7.25, and it is delightful. They're hot. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. How long will the cheese pull? Oh, that was a good cheese pull. We got some tots and this massive burger.
It has bacon on it.
It's got a lot on it. This is truly one of the best burgers I've ever had. The flavor is insane, and all the toppings mixed together with it. Do not take that bacon. Do not take the bacon. Do not take the bacon. Schwab opened on Beale Street in 1876. Here's a look at the menus. We are going to get a shake. We're getting the pink Cadillac, strawberry and banana. You can also get coffees. You can get sundaes or hot drinks. And we're going for the old-fashioned soda. All the sodas are made here. There's all the different flavorings. We got the root beer over here. You can also get it with a scoop of ice cream for $5.98. And then here's the pink Cadillac. So it's a shake with strawberry and banana. This one is root beer that's homemade here in-house.
I thought it was coffee.
No, it's root beer. It's like real root beer.
I prefer artificial then.
Okay. And then this is
I prefer synthetic materials.
This is a shake and it has strawberry and banana. It's called a pink Cadillac. I feel like we had to get one of those. You made that face before you even put it in your mouth.
Because when you said strawberry and banana.
The people watching here is pretty great at this table. It has the smoothest milkshake. Okay, that's delicious. It's so light. It just tastes so fresh. This is above and beyond root beer you would get out of a can. This with ice cream, that's what I would do next time. I also want to try the Green River, which he said is lime and mint. Totally finished this by myself. I love that it was a milkshake you could drink. You didn't need a spoon, and it had chunks of banana in it. This was delicious. We came back to a Schwab. Go ahead, do it. I'll pick it up. That's called karma. Nope.
I got this. Don't worry, you guys. She will.
Skyla got the Oreo shake, and I got the Elvis, which is vanilla, peanut butter, and banana. We're at Dinstuhl's Candies. Skyla's looking at a chocolate menu. All the truffles are $4.25. They're so pretty. We're gonna get a chocolate covered marshmallow. Look at these.
Okay,
They've got like
we're coming
records
back,
and
and I'm buying
guitars.
myself something
This
like
is cute. This is just your first taste.
Yeah. This is the milk chocolate covered marshmallow.
Here, we can walk while you eat it. She's getting back to rehearsal.
That's really good. This is the raspberry truffle.
Is it good? Here's a look at that truffle. That is beautiful. We just came back to Dinstuhl's and Skyla wanted a chocolate covered marshmallow and they just gave it to her because she remembered us from the other day. So show what else we got.
Brownie bites.
And these were only $3 for those. That is a great souvenir to take home to your brother unless you eat them first.
Yo, who did that?
Thank you so much for coming along with us to Memphis to try some amazing food. I feel like we had a really great sampling of Memphis barbecue. Central Barbecue was definitely our favorite. Definitely good to try them from every place because they were very different. Going to the arcade was probably my favorite experience, getting to sit in Elvis's booth. The food was delicious. What about you, Skyla?
Westy's definitely. Westy's were so good.
Westy's was really good. That was a surprise for me. I'll be dreaming about that dessert from Westy's for a while for sure. There were a couple spots we wanted to try but didn't have a chance to on this trip. Highly recommend Gus's Fried Chicken. We went there last time we were in Memphis. If you've ever been here and have food that you love, please let us know, leave a comment so we could try it next time we're in Memphis. We're gonna have a separate vlog all about the attractions that we've seen on this trip, so I'll put a link to that in the description down below. Thanks so much for coming along with us and we'll see you soon.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
And as always,
Eat that